So I just got the Wacom Intuos Pro, the paper edition, large one, and I am super excited to unbox this and just wanted to share that with everyone. So, um, yeah, I'm a photographer, so for me it's going to be really awesome to use this for dodging and burning, for the intensity of the size of the brush, the pressure sensitivity, just a lot of cool things. You can see as you open it, it's got these cool little picture windows with art. All right. And then on the black and white side, we've got a whole neat box. You can see the art there. Yep. All right. And then inside, we have, if I could figure out how to open it. Oh, yep, there's Velcro on the bottom. Cool. And here is a neat little satchel, which I assume is to put your, to put your little tools, anything you wanted in there. We have what looks to be the pen side of it, and you can see it's got the pen tip, and then some paper, so that you can actually draw on the Wacom tablet itself, and it ends up coming out on the screen. Super cool. I've got a little instruction manual. This appears to be a stand or a clip for the Wacom tablet. Yep. Neat. All right. Let's look at the other side, which I assume is the actual tablet itself. Yep, more cool, trippy art. All right. And yep, in this box, we have the Wacom tablet. Ooh, underneath, we've got the second pin, the cable to connect it, and what appears to be the stand for the pen, where you can actually remove the nibs via that little hole in the center. All right, guys, so I've got the tablet set up. I am really excited. So basically, you've got this clip right here, which I didn't realize is actually for the paper. So you can clip your paper in right here, and then you can draw on it with the regular pen, and it'll end up being transferred over to the computer itself. And then you can use it as just a tablet as well. There's a little switch on the side that is the touch sensitivity. So when you turn it on, you can use your touch functions, and when you turn it off, the only thing that works is the actual pen, right? And one of the cool things that I realized is that you can also come into your settings, into your into your pen settings, and you can turn on and off the gestures. You can turn on and off a lot of the different settings within the tablet itself. So you could turn on and off these buttons on the side, and then in the pen settings themselves, a really important one is the mapping. So under where it says tablet area, you can click on portion, and then you can map it to where it's just in a certain portion at the top of the screen, which I find better because, then instead of having to drag your pen all the way down here to get to the bottom of your screen, you can just be in this tiny little area up here, and it's kind of like your mouse sensitivity. So that's the tablet. And then it comes with this cool little stand. So I can put my pen in the stand, There's a nibs inside of the actual stand itself. So if you come inside of the stand and you twist it open, right, inside of the stand itself, there's a bunch of different nibs. And you can replace those nibs fairly easily by, there's a little hole in the bottom and you stick your pen in there, pull it to the side. Oh, there goes one of my nibs. And there's your nib. It comes right out, and then you can replace it. So yeah, so that's a cool little feature they've got on here as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing. I'm gonna use it mainly to do things like outlining different images and making cool art. You can come in here and use it. The touch sensitivity makes the brush size bigger and smaller, so you can come into your brush tool, you can open this up, or you can make the brush bigger, and then depending on how hard you push is how dark the actual area is, or how big the area is, depending on your brush settings. So under your brush settings, yeah, I won't turn this into a full tutorial, but yeah, it's a really awesome tablet, and I can't wait to use it. And I guess I might start posting some videos and showing you guys what I'm up to. This is a picture I did recently. I just colorized a picture of Little Richard because he passed away recently. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see any of my photography, I do nature photography. My handle at Instagram and Facebook is Blue J Studio. Blue, the letter underscore, the letter J underscore studio. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll leave a link to my different pages in the description. Have a good day, guys.